Welcome to another edition of Brown Women Wellness in the Kitchen. So we're going to show you a recipe today. And it's a little controversial because some people don't understand what the difference between juicing and a smoothie. But why are we juicing? What is the purpose of juicing? Juicing is going to flood your cells with a lot of nutrients all at once. So you see what we have here today. Today we're going to do what is called the green monster juice. We have celery, we have cilantro, we have parsley, green apples, cucumbers, ginger, turmeric, and we got a lemon that we've already peeled the skin off of, okay? So the purpose is to flood the body with a whole lot of nutrients at once so that the body will feel lighter. It's gonna dance. I mean, you're gonna feel like the energy is just gonna be overwhelming when you juice this. This is more than your 6 servings of greens that we're talking about every day. This is at least 12. This is going to be your lifeline. And if you juice every day, eat that salad, go back to our other episode and look at our anti-inflammatory, not so boring salad. Between the two of these, if you do this every day, and even if you're still eating, you know, whatever else you're eating, the standard American diet, at least this will help give your body the nutrients that you want. So let's get started. All right, so what's gonna happen here is I'm going to start with my celery. And all I got to do with this bad boy is push it through. I really don't have to do a lot. Now, with this juicer, I leave everything in here until I'm ready to release it. So it's all gonna blend in together. This doesn't take very long, but I'll be honest with you. I prep my juice. This is gonna make a full quart. So this is a whole bunch, one bunch of celery. That's what I just put in here. This is our cilantro or the parsley. It's so hard to tell the difference between cilantro and parsley. When you're in the grocery store, if you're like me, I have to read it because they look the same. They're in the same family, but what they do is different. Like heavy metals that are in your body, which you have, you don't know you have heavy metals, but you're getting it from the environment that you're in. Cilantro and parsley will help flush those metals out of your body, as well as other toxins. Plus, it's good for your digestive system. Now, some people ask me all the time about fiber. They say, okay, you're not getting any fiber. Actually, you are. It seems like we're bypassing the fiber because you see it's coming out on this end here, but you're still getting fiber. Trust and believe, just not getting all of the fiber. But it's going to give your cells a washing with green juice. Next, I'm going to put in a whole green apple. One of the reasons I like this one is because I can put the whole thing in. And it just makes life so much easier. Okay, we're gonna have 2 of these. Second one in, okay? And we're gonna put a lemon in. You know what, lemon is just great for everything. So we're gonna put a whole lemon in. Now we're gonna put the parsley in because the second one was cilantro. Now we're doing parsley. I just dropped my thing on the ground here, but don't worry about it. I'm going to release some of this juice and you'll see it come out on this side. See how green, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I mean, it's just stunning. And now I'm going to take turmeric. We all know what turmeric does for us, right? And last but not least, turmeric's cousin, the ginger. Now, by the time you see this video, we will be in the middle of a juice feast. I am leading a group of people who want to juice. They want to reset their microbiome. The other thing that juicing does, it gets rid of that mucoid plaque in your body. So all that stuff, years and years and years of eating processed food and all the things that we've been eating, it actually will build up around our colon. And so when it builds up, it just sits there, it rots. So this particular recipe is great for loosening up the mucoid plaque in your body and it's going to get it out of your body. As we start juicing, this is one of the juices that everyone will do every single day as long as they're doing the juice feast. So you'll see a little bit more about the juice feast on our website because we have a lot of things coming up about it. But I want you guys just to see how we make it. It's not that hard. I'm going to release this for the rest. Man, it smells good. It smells very green. Most of you know that I am the mason jar queen. So 6 of these sometimes is what we'll use every day if you're on the juice feast. But let's fill this up. Ooh-wee. It was perfect. That's a perfect quart. I mean, we can't beat that. All right, we're going to have a juice feast. And as always, you guys, you know where to find us, www.brownwomenwellness.com. You'll find this recipe there. Don't forget to listen to us on our Well Honestly podcast because we're so excited because we're getting ready to start them up again. And go to our website, join our community. In the community, we talk about this stuff. In the community, we share recipes. In the community, man, we make friends because we're all trying to do the same thing. And that is, we all want to be healthy. We want to be healthier. So thank you for watching today. That was just one juice. By the way, we got at least 12 juice recipes in our new ebook that you will also find on our website. Thank you for watching.
What is juice? They don't have a name?
It's called the Brown Women Wellness
No.
Anti-Inflammatory. No, it's called an astringent juice. Astringent.
That sounds disgusting.
Okay. Just say green juice.
You ready?
Just say green juice.
Brown Women Wellness, Green Monster, juice, take 1.